So guys, this is another weekly recap. Kind of doing this one a little bit late. This weekend was kind of hectic, but right away, uh, we can see that this is a red week. Bad metrics, kind of. Um, Average, I guess, we're kind of the same. Bigger winner than bigger loser, which is good. These are still alright, but we were on the wrong side of these. Well, not wrong side. We took the trade, but the setup did not work this week for some reason. A couple days it didn't work. Um, we went into the red right away. Um, Only had one good day trading. It was two good trades in a row, and then I locked it up. So kind of cut down on my losses this week. So now if we look at so get this. We had that drawdown, pull back up, and then move lower, but I don't know. On the month, we are looking for 500 for this month, and I'm short um, 400 or 350, but 400 technically. So we're going into next month tomorrow, and we're kind of going in short right now. And on my iPad right now, we had this week was the end of my 50th trade, and that one I ended up from 41 to 50 in those 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, or 42, 50. Those 10 trades um, were our wrecking ball. Instead of reaching 100 plus, we went down $50, and then from the 50th trade to the 60th trade, we went down again to the 60, down $62, which instead of being up, uh, instead of being up 200, now we have to recoup a $50 loss between those, and we have to recoup a $62 loss, which that's what I need to catch back up to where I am right now, which I'm on the 63rd trade of my career right now, or of this setup kind of, in my total trading thing. Um, and I'm only up 300 and from the 63 trades that I took, so I'm I'm pretty behind on this. I'm supposed to be up 630, but I'm only up 300. So if we look at that, um, it's 346 off. So we're gonna need to catch up somewhere, and hopefully I do. Um, so let's. So I mean, we can look at some trades this week. Some that worked, some that didn't. Let's look at some. We'll look at my first trade of this week. We'll look at Baba. Actually, we'll look at this one first. This TBLT, which was on the 29th. It was a pretty good trade. It was this 5-minute pullback. 5-minute pullback right here. And then we had the little ABCD pattern kind of right there. Right here. And I entered it. We entered right around here and rode this one up to there and got about $17, $18 on that trade. And I also did take this one. Let me find it. So I took this one also around here in this trade right here. It was a 5-minute pullback, but a kind of intense pullback right here, so I kind of made sure kind of hesitant on this. You can't just get into all that. So I had the pullback set up right here, and then I think I got in on this candle, kind of moved up, but it wasn't enough to get my 1-to-1 out, and then we dropped back down, and then we flush right here. So yeah, wasn't that good of a trade. We can look back at a good trade. I got AMD, and let me find it real quick. Okay, we were here at move this back down. It was up here. I got in, I think, at 12:30. Yep. I got in my first setup right here. We broke down, kind of came back up, and then we formed a 5-minute ABCD setup, and then I got in again here at 12:57. Or no, I didn't. I got up here at 12:45, right here. I think as we shot back, I think right here, yeah. So it was just kind of set up right here, and then we got in right here, thinking that we're gonna start folding. We came back down. I had 200 shares into this trade, dropped back down. I got them out, and I made pretty good profits on this one. And then that was one trade. And then I had, sorry about that, guys. And then we can look back at a bad trade. I mean, this is a pretty good loss. Papa. Let me go ahead and find that for you. So, pretty sure it was, look at this, I kind of don't know where my setup was here. 10:23. Oh, right here. So, we had this 5-minute pullback right here, and then we kind of had this M right here. Where's the drop? Yeah. So we had this kind of this M, this rest, and then the drop below. But then, as you can see, we stalled out and then went back up. So I got out around here, and it was a quick loss. It wasn't a quick loss, but it was a loss. So I mean, this week was kind of I guess it was boring, man. I just can't. I don't know. It sucks when you lose. When you have a red week, it just sucks. And whenever you're not making really targets or whatever, like your goals and whatever, it kind of sucks as well because you really want to be green and you feel like you're not doing anything, and you're just losing and not doing much. So it does suck. Having these metrics kind of sucks. Even this Alta Show Forges, this kind of sucks as well, especially because you're not really getting your my goal for the month. Obviously, you're not gonna hit it, but you're not always gonna hit all of them. But it's good to aim for it. And sometimes these kind of losses and stuff kind of make me wanna just increase my share size so I can get back in and make all of it back. But that's not how it's gonna work. So I think I'm just gonna stay consistent with these small wins, small losses, and then if I get to my 100 trades and my strategy and my everything proves that it's doing well, then I'll be able to get in with larger share size. But for right now, these are a couple of my how my month is going or my trading is going this month. Kind of choppy up here. I don't know. But yeah, this is how it is. This is how it's been since I've had my trading um, setups like just focused on one thing. So I mean, this is pretty good, but you kind of want. I mean, this is good. I mean, we're getting some losses, but recouping them. So hopefully this one we recoup and shoot back up to 600s. But for right now, um, we'll see. So thank you guys for watching, and have a blessed day.